Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Pure Ice, I Want You to Haunt Me, and Beauty Big Bang XL-020. I've started off with Danny Digits Glitter Be Gone, and look at this luscious Pure Ice. This is one of the Halloween polishes I believe from last year, and it's I Want You to Haunt Me. It is a blurple and it is got like some kind of flakies in it. This one was so pretty on the nail. I mean, just insane gorgeous. So here we go with that first coat. Beautiful application. Easy to use. I loved this. I'm just telling y'all ahead of time, if you ever run across this one in a D-stash or, you know, on a dusty shelf somewhere, man, grab it. It's worth it. So hi Woody, how you doing? Here we go with that second coat. Y'all can see that nail is finally growing out. That's the one I slammed in a car door or got stuck on a car door or something. I know the car was involved. So here we go with that second coat. It's building up beautifully. It's so gorgeous. There we go. I have to get Woody back out here. Come on, Woody. There we go. Tell the people hi. And I am going to do a third coat. I normally don't do third coats, but this one needed it. And it really was worth the third coat. That color is just, luscious. It's got all those flakies in it. Little silver glitters. It's just yum. And Woody's back again. I'm a little shaky still from all the meds, so he's getting a workout. So here we go. We're going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Seal it all down and get it to dry so that we can do some playing. I've got those new plates from Beauty Big Bang. I did swatch them, but now I'm playing with them. So look at that. I'm going to top it all off, but that top coat just made it just look glass-like. It's gorgeous. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And here we go. We're going to use Beauty Big Bang XL-020 Beauty Scraper and my Conad Stamper. And I'm going to start off with the Nicole Diary NS04, which is almost gone, and the Burt's Bees. So I will get 2 images out of this almost empty bottle. And in hindsight, I wish I'd have just kept on trying to dig stuff out of it. You'll see here in a little bit. Now, I had to, I'm trying to do it on the wrong hand. I had to use this Paisley image. This one is probably my favorite image on this plate. I love it. And then I wanted to use the Jack Skeleton head looking one because I kept talking about it. And it doesn't, I should have lined it up a little higher up on the nail so the big Jack Skeleton head would have showed up. But, you know, on that curvy nail, it's kind of hard to tell that that's what this is, but I knew it, so I guess that's good enough. Okay, so now I am changing over to the Child of Star by Nicole Diary, and the newer Nicole Diary polishes, there's something different about the formula. I don't know if you need to wait longer before stamping or what, but they just, like this one, Smear City. I don't know what happened. So I'm going to use it again on the little tree stump because that's just such a cute image. And it looks fine on the stamper. And I'm having the issue with getting it off with the tape. But it just, something about it's not 100%. I need to work with it and figure out if I need to wait longer to stamp or what. So here we go. We're going to keep moving along here. I am using that little bat for my pinky nail. I was really excited that this one did fit. And I'm trying to use my scraper to get the excess off, and that wasn't working so good. It never works really good for me, so I don't know why I even tried. But back to the tape. A tape girl. So here we go. We're going to line this up, and I am going to do it kind of diagonal. And so happy that that fit on the nail. How cute. So I do clean off my plates with pure acetone. And if I'm doing different images, I do it all at once at the end. And there we go with our piece of tape to get the excess off. La la la, da da da, there we go. I thought silver looked really great on this one. A little bit more tidying up with some acetone and a cleanup brush. I will be using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. Totally digging that stuff. Need to buy stock in it, I guess, because it really does work for me. I know everything don't work for everyone, but this is working for me. And now that that is completely dry, I am going to top it with some Poshe top coat. Seal it all in so that those stamped images don't just come off. Keeping my free edge. There we go. All done. So here's my final manicure. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. You know, leave me a comment down below because I always love hearing your thoughts. If you have any suggestions over the stamping polish, I'd love to hear. And there's my swatch photo. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.